Today, we're in Traverse City, Michigan, and we are here at Great Wolf Lodge. This is not the one we usually go to, but we're excited to check out what they have. So let's go. Great Wolf Lodge in Traverse City first opened in 2003. This resort features an impressive 38,000 square feet indoor water park that stays a perfect 84 degrees year-round. Our family usually visits Great Wolf Lodge in Wisconsin Dells, but today we decided to step out of our comfort zone and visit the cherry capital of the world, Traverse City. If you're considering a stay here, we want to show you what to expect. Our 3 mission today is to provide a room tour, showcase all the exciting family activities, and attempt to ride all the slides at this water park. Come join us to see if this Great Wolf Lodge is right for your next family vacation. Welcome back, Chronicles crew. You have Carl here. If you're not familiar with our channel, we're a family travel vlog, and we love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. This resort really does have an outdoor feel. As you go inside, you'll see all these different animals around. So your first stop is gonna be right here at the registration desk. Here you'll check in and then pick up your water pool bands. One thing you can also do here is pay for your daily parking fee. Oh, this is where all the shows are. So they actually have a full out stage. There's something that more Great Wolf Lodge should do. Today we're here on the second floor. It's built. This place is built on a hill, so even though it is second floor, it is really like the first floor. All right, so we're here in room 245. Addison, I think yours should be a key. All right. All right, right here is a little mirror. How's it going, everybody? And the room we have is the family suite, and there are 2 queen beds and a TV right here. Good news for the family, there will be a fridge.
And a microwave.
And a microwave. We can get some popcorn in this joint.
Okay, so here is the living room, and here is the dining table.
Or the place I can edit my YouTube videos. Ooh, let's look if we have a view out here. So this is the view from the back. It's actually a pretty good view.
Not bad. Set up just like Wisconsin Dells.
I don't think we've ever stayed at a Great Wolf Lodge other than Wisconsin Dells.
No, only Wisconsin Dells.
Yeah,
We've stayed there many a times.
Yeah, we tried to think, be a little different, some a little bit further, and of course, we're gonna try to ride all the slides.
Of course.
Rosalie is ready, and I think she's gonna drag her ate Addison down those slides. There's no need to bring towels from your room because you can check out towels right here at the water park. All you need is your band, but don't lose it because if you do, there will be a fine. After finding out Rosalie could ride all the rides, she went to look for a perfect life jacket. So we headed down to Cub Paw Pool, which is a section for tykes and toddlers. Rosalie rode her first 2 slides to start us off on our slide challenge. Yeah, so the difference between this and Wisconsin Dells, in the Wisconsin Dells one, you come out of a slide and you fall into right here. But on this one, it's just a good old-fashioned lazy river. It's nice. I can get used to this, babe. Hey guys, we are so close to 4,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Get us to that 4K. Oh no, here we go again. Rosalie got her American Ninja Warrior on at Bigfoot Pass. Before we go to the next big slide, I want to tell you about the Pup Pass. So what is that in your neck?
Pup pass.
Ooh, what are we gonna get today?
We are gonna get a better bear, and if the arcade is open, we're gonna go to the arcade.
Getting the Pup Pass is a family tradition. It's basically a package that bundles a bunch of fun activities and treats for the little ones. She first went to Bear Paw to make sure she got her scoop of ice cream. And after that, she went to the Buckhorn Exchange and got to pick any candy she wants and put it into her cup. I couldn't believe how many choices she had for all this candy. And one of her favorite things to do is go to Build-A-Bear. They get to choose and create their own stuffed animal, which they can take home as a great souvenir. And finally, arcade games are also included. They get to play the Northern Lights arcade and they try to win some prizes. Rosie wanted to try her luck on one more game before we go back to the slides. The next slides we have to conquer is gonna be at Fort McKenzie. What makes it interesting, it's a 4-story water fort treehouse. And of course, it has slides. Let's go! So we are part of Fort McKenzie, and Rosalie, you did the slide! As we headed up Fort McKenzie, we wanted to get to the top, called Totem Towers, to reach the 2 water slides there. I didn't want Rosie to show me up, so I made sure I was brave and went down the slide. But I was pretty surprised how long this slide was, considering the fort didn't look that big to me. So I did the red slide, and Rosalie did the yellow one. How was that, Rosalie? So the bucket up there is supposed to ring and the water will fall out. Come here, Rosalie. Don't you scared? Right here. Over here. Come on, guys. Let's do this, right? It's coming. For the family. Oh, there it is. I believe I just... That hurt. That woke me up. It was hard to get Rosalie out of Chinook Cove, which is like a playground area in the water, but we wanted to see some family activities. And make sure you stay to the end as we go to the 2 biggest slides in the park. This one looks like a different setup, the show, and the clock tower. So I'm really curious if it's the same songs they use or it's a whole different show. Something that differentiates Great Wolf Lodge from many other water parks is they really gear it to the grade school kids. Look at all these fun things to do. Rosalie really enjoyed doing some yoga and finding some inner peace. Another activity she enjoyed was being able to color and draw downstairs. And who doesn't enjoy an interactive story time? But her favorite was the glow dance party. Alright, we're back. The plan now is to ride the 2 Alberta Falls slides. Woo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, what did you think?
That was good.
Babe, I was like hydraulics going up and down.
I know.
Yeah, I don't know about yours, mine kept bouncing.
Yeah, mine was too. It was going too fast. I was like,
Okay, we're going again, babe.
We're going again?
Yeah. We're gonna do the other color. Oh! The smooth! Oh! I lied! Oh, I lied! I lied! It's got to... And for our final slide, we're gonna try River Canyon Run. And this contraption sure makes it so much easier. I had to carry that thing all the time. Remember how hard it is to carry those? Here it magically shows up. Great Wolf Lodge here at Traverse City was so fun, and we were able to create so many fun memories. So one more slide to call it a day. Oh, it's too fast! I don't know where I'm going. The water's in the sky. Click the video link right here if you want to learn more about the Great Wolf Lodge in Wisconsin Dells.